So given that all choices are true, okay, which one provides the most relevant information at this point in the essay? Which one is the best answer? Let's do the elimination. Let's start with letter D. Why is it that letter D can't be the answer? Probably because this information are just marginally relevant. Yeah, exactly. So why it's not C? How about letter C? Why it's not C? Because it's not C because, well, the information about which the newspapers that Wells wrote for is not relevant at all. So there's no need to use this information. How about letter B? Why it's not B, if ever? Is it related anyway?
It's not really related. Only related to the newspaper part.
Exactly, that's
So it's
right.
A, so it's no change.
Exactly. So the correct answer is no. Is A, no change. Good job.